today we're gonna clean up my room. You see here? Super dirty. So let's get started. Now we're gonna tidy up the instruments. It's here. Now let's get started. And this time make and put this in, close the camp. The small ones here, drum inside. And then can you see any instruments on the floor? Nope. Let's just close that. And then we're done with the instruments. Now we're gonna clean up we use it for a train play. Let's get going. And then one more here and one more there. And is that all? Yes. Yep, that's all. Closing the cap. And then we're putting this up. Now we're gonna tidy up the Beyblades. Sweet cat, they're gonna put it there. This is also one. And there. And 3 big ones. There. Now we're gonna tidy up the books. Here. Ta-da! This is a cup holder. I use it to keep my key changes. This we can put it in, so we put this inside here. And this is a cup holder, and I use it for some key change decorations. And here. And we're gonna put this cup holder here with the key changes. Now we're gonna put back my Pokemon figures. Giratina goes here. And then the Pikachu goes here. And Chespin goes here. And Charmeleon goes here. Now we're done with the Pokemon figures. Now we're gonna put back the Rubik's Cube. These 3, I'm still trying to solve it, but I'm still trying. Put it back in here. This 2, trying to solve it, but I can't. And then this, I can solve it. Here, it goes here, and then it goes here, right? And then you turn it, you see the eyes like that. So you mean you did it wrong. So it's like this or this. Okay, it's this way. Ta-da! Putting back the Rubik's Cube. Here you go. And done with the Rubik's Cube. Ta-da! Now we're gonna tidy up the Super Balls. Here we go. Dropping it, catching it. Good. Again, dropping it, catching it. Yes. Now let's put back the Super Balls. Here. We're done with the Super Balls. Now we're gonna tidy up my stuffed toys. And this Pikachu goes here, and the elephant goes down, and the teddy bear goes here. That's all. We're done with the teddy bear. Here's and all these soft toys. Teddy bear, Pokemon, other animals. Now I'm gonna tidy up near this part maybe. This car goes here. This one is supposed to be at the Rubik's Cube place. I'm gonna put it right, or I'm gonna take one out and put it this. And then dinosaur, put this here and here, and then whee, and then whee, then whee. There you go. We're done with this part, and now maze cube. I need to solve it first. It's crazy hard, you know that. No. And then last one. Done. Now put the maze cube here. And then there you go. Done with the maze cube. And the trophy. Now I'm gonna put the water inside with whoosh-a-boom! Whoosh-a-boom! Bye-bye. Now I'm gonna fold this. Yep. Oopsie doopsie. And then the other one goes here, and then here, and then here, and then here. I'm gonna put this aside, and now I'm gonna put the towels there into the cubby hole. There you go. Those in the cubby hole. Finally, I'm gonna put it on the bed. That's all. There you go. Tidy up my room is easy. One more thing to remind you. Clean your own room. I'll tell you a tip. First, focus on one thing you want to tidy up. Then, next, if you're done tidying up, then focus on another thing. Okay? Bye-bye. I finally cleaned up my bedroom. And if you like this video, click the good button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.